Hi, Josh Campbell here, and if you have an air conditioning system, you need a maintenance agreement. And let me tell you why for a second. Air conditioning systems do a lot of things. Besides just producing heat and cool for your home, they also produce water. Water damages houses. This is in the form of condensation. That condensation, units can produce, I've seen them produce 10, 15 gallons a day of humidity that can come out of a house. That all goes out of a drain line and heads to your plumbing unless it gets blocked up. Those drain lines need to be blown out at least once a year. So there's a bunch of other things that you get out of a maintenance agreement. You get 2 visits per year, one for heating maintenance and one for cooling maintenance. Those maintenance visits are important, especially on new equipment. New equipment doesn't turn off, and in many cases it's variable speed outside and inside. What that means is those fans just keep running inside and outside. That outside fan just keeps circulating air across that outdoor coil to remove heat. Well, when it's doing that, it's also circulating lots of dust, and that thing needs to be cleaned. A lot of these units, we'll see them, they'll be 2-3 months into the summer after a maintenance and they're completely filthy again. The same thing happens inside. That indoor fan keeps running all the time to make the house more efficient and to make all the rooms a nice even temperature and to make your filter dirty really fast. So a couple things that are important about a dirty unit. One, it can't perform. It's not going to get the job done. If it gets dirty, it starts diminishing in how much work it can get done because it can't move that air across the outdoor coil or the indoor coil. That produces high electric bills, and then the unit just doesn't keep up. So we need to change that filter a lot, and we need to look at that coil and make sure it's not getting impacted with all that dirt that just keeps getting cycled through it. Next on the agenda is your warranty. We do not want you to void your warranty. If you've invested in a new system, you have to have maintenance 2 times per year per most manufacturers in order to maintain your warranty, and this gives you that proof that you're having that done. So the exciting news about your maintenance agreement is it now includes plumbing. So we do a whole house plumbing inspection, and you get a water heater flush if your water heater is in good enough condition to do so. Since you now know you need a maintenance agreement, talk to one of our technicians or our office staff and we'll get you signed up.